Showing all my favorite fidgets. We got this blue and purple tie-dye poppet. To match with that, we have this circle, purple and blue poppet to match with the heart one. Next are these simple dimples. Next are puzzle balls. I just love them. Next is an infinity cube, and I love infinity cubes. Next are marble and meshes. These are like my favorite, and they're great for school. Next are tangles. I also love these for school since I'm going in person. Next are fidget pads. I've been wanting one of these like for a while, and I finally got it. Next are acupressure rings. I just love acupressure rings. They really help me focus in school. Next are monkey noodles. I really like to stretch them. I can't. Oh, okay. Alright. Love it. Love stretching. Next are dimple digits. It's just the best. Next are like amazing mini puppets. They're like the best. I love these two. This one's really good in my opinion. And balls. I know they can get like hard, but I like it. Our Orbeez stress balls. I love these because they get really big and the sound. Next are triple dimples. I have all kinds. I just love them all. Are water splat balls. These are literally the best because of how like easy they are to squish and how it's just so cool. Because they can get sticky. Next are water timers. I just like looking at it. Next is like squished up Orbeez stress balls. It just feels really nice. You guys should feel this one. It's super good. These are like these finger magnets, and I love these things. These are literally my favorite. Next are poppet balls. I love poppet balls. Next is circle poppets. And I tend to have a lot of circle poppets that are like really good. That's an amazing pop. I also like Among Us poppets. They're really good. Well, at least this one is. I once had a bad one, but overall, the pop is really good. And lastly is this cactus poppet. I just love it because of how it feels, and also too because I like the texture. Same thing, and how it pops, because it pops really good. Guys, enjoyed that video. Make sure to sub and like, and keep watching my videos. I'll be posting a lot more tomorrow. Bye.